Okay guys, hope you're well. I'm just finishing off marking up my charts, getting ready for tomorrow. And I thought I'd show you a little hack, something that you can kind of use to, well, basically put your levels and your marks on a different MT5 platform. Because I use multiple MT5 platforms and I have them open at the same time. But I don't really want to be marking up one and then marking up the other. It's kind of why I was asking how we can do this. Now, a little bit of trial and tribulation, I've kind of figured out a hack how to do it. So I can mark it up here. I can store file on Dropbox, say, or you can put it on a USB stick, whatever. Take it to work and then pop it onto whatever your platform is there. And it saves you having to use a VPN or whatever they're called, and it's quite simple. So let me show you. So first thing, I'll quickly show you how I lay out my MT5, because I get asked that, why do I have all the Aussies together? Why do I have sort of the CADs together, the pounds together? It's so I can quickly see what's happening across the board. I won't necessarily trade these, but it gives you a general view of what the market is doing for the particular currency you're looking at. All right, the dominant currency. So in this case, the dominant currency with this lot is the pound. In other words, it's the first of the pair. I can see what's going on. Now, secondly, I also have this, which if I flick it over, is three currencies together, which is, it's the dollar, but it's really just for me having a barometer of what's happening with the two markets I mainly trade, which is cable and euro dollar. Now, the reason I have the USJPY on is because the dollar is the dominant world currency. And if I see something that is a big spike on USJPY, it gives me a good gauge as to what may possibly happen with these two. And then when I'm messing around and I want to dig right into something, I have it mirrored here, but I will manipulate these and pull at them and one thing and another without changing what's up here. So these are clean. These are what I can play with, and this is what I look at every single day. All right. It's just kind of the way I lay it out. Now, I've just finished marking up my cable for the coming week. If you want to see the levels, there you go. It's nice and ready to rock and roll. We had a good old sell-off on Friday. See what kind of happens tomorrow. But I'm ready for it. But I don't really want to be marking this up, as I'm saying, on multiple MT5 platforms. Now, if I pull up another MT5, you can see that one is 150. I don't know. Well, maybe you can't see it. There you go. So you count 150. Okay. And if I drag this one down slightly, that one is 047. So they're completely separate. So how do I get the levels off this one into the other one without VPNs and all that sort of thing? And also because it's a completely different account, but the platform is the same. So it's only looking to read a data source. Okay. So how do you find that data? Well, if you go into File, come to Open Data, just like so, you will find a file here. So this is all of your data. I'll just switch that off so you can see it open up on this screen. So open the data file. There it is. It comes up here. You want to copy the entire MQL5 file. Copy that. Okay. And you want to put it somewhere. Now that could be on your a data stick, or put it into Dropbox. So if you switch off that MT5, this is now locked in time because it updates instantly all the time. All you want is the clean file. So open up here, switch off the MT5. You can now copy this, put it wherever you choose, sort of Dropbox for argument's sake. I have a little file here that I just delete that one and I'll paste it into there. So that's complete. There you are. Nicely done. Now what do? Well, you open up the other MT5. So in this case it's here. So you can see it's the 150. Okay. It's very similar. There it is. There's cable, what you were looking at. No lines on it whatsoever. All right. So what we need is it's open source. So we open up the data file and we switch off MT5. We delete that MQ5. But now we need to copy in what we've just saved in Dropbox. So if you press Control N for new, it'll bring up a new screen. I can go into Dropbox, trading, grab the other file, so I can copy that, and I can copy it into this data log. I can switch that off, I can switch that off, and now I can open up that MT5. Bingo. There's all your levels, exactly the same. So it saves you bouncing around and trying to basically remark all the time. And whatever you're looking at home, you'll be looking at the exact data sample at work. So I hope that helps. I genuinely do. Oh, excuse me. Need me coffee, guys. Right. Sorry about that. It's a simple hack to get round marking charts, and it'll make your life with MT5 so much easier. Anyway, keep commenting on the videos, share the videos, like the videos, do support the channel, keeps it going. And if you're stuck, just shout. Anyway, as always, guys, trade well, keep your risk managed, but above all, do what you love and the money will follow. See you all in the next one.